Question number 171. Select the incorrect match with respect to placental mammals and Australian marsupials. Now let's discuss the options. The very first option is lemur and spotted cuscus. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. As you can see here, this is a comparison between placental mammal and Australian marsupials. This is lemur and it exhibits convergent evolution with spotted cuscus. So this is a correct match and cannot be a correct answer. The next option is bobcat and Tasmanian tiger. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. As you can see here, this is bobcat, a placental mammal, and it exhibits convergent evolution with Tasmanian tiger cat, which is an Australian marsupial. The next match given is anteater and numbet, and as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because anteater is a placental mammal which exhibits analogy with numbet or anteater, which is a Australian marsupial. The last match given is koala and the match given is flying squirrel, and as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question because koala is an Australian marsupial, flying squirrel, as you can see here, is also an Australian marsupial. So this is an incorrect match with respect to placental mammals and Australian marsupials. Flying squirrel is a placental mammal which exhibits analogy with flying phalanger. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 172. Cocaine is obtained from the extract of, and the options are Cannabis sativa, Atropa belladonna, Erythroxylum coca, and Papaver somniferum. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, Erythroxylum coca. Cocaine is obtained from the extract of Erythroxylum coca. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option is Cannabis sativa, and this cannot be a correct answer because cannabinoids are extracted from Cannabis sativa. Next option is Atropa belladonna, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because hallucinogens are extracted from Atropa belladonna. And the last option is Papaver somniferum, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because morphine is extracted from the latex of poppy plant called Papaver somniferum. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 173. Select the odd one with respect to ringworms, and the options are Microsporum, Epidermophytum, Salmonella, and Trichophytum. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, Salmonella, because Salmonella typhi is the pathogen that causes typhoid. It's a bacteria, whereas rest of the options, Microsporum, Epidermophyton, and Trichophyton cannot be the correct answer because these are fungal genera causing ringworm infection. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 174. Incorrect statement regarding AIDS is, and the very first statement given is macrophage act like an HIV factory, and as it is a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because macrophages acts like an HIV factory. Now the next statement given is there is always a time lag between the infection by HIV and appearance of symptoms of AIDS, and as it is also a correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question because there is always a latent duration between the infection by HIV and appearance of symptoms of AIDS. Next statement is caused by non-enveloped retrovirus, and as it is an incorrect statement, so this is a correct answer to our question because AIDS is caused by enveloped retrovirus known as HIV. This is an enveloped retrovirus. The last statement given is the attachment of virus to CD4 receptor site is by the help of GP120 on the lipid bilayer of virus, and as it is also a correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question. As you can see here, this GP120 present on the lipid bilayer of virus helps in attaching with the host cell. There is another protein which is present on the lipid bilayer of virus known as GP41, which is a transmembrane glycoprotein. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 175. Exotic breed of poultry is, and the options are Jersey, Leghorn, Mule, and Hisardale. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Leghorn is an improved breed of chicken. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option is Jersey, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because Jersey is an improved breed of cattle. It's a breed of chicken. Mule cannot be a correct answer because mule is the product of interspecific hybridization, which is formed by the cross between male donkey and female horse. The last option is Hisardale, and this cannot be a correct answer to our question because Hisardale is a new breed of sheep developed in Punjab by crossing Bikaneri Eves and Merino Rams. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question.